tired of feeling tired? It's a common complaint, but it can be more than just a lack of sleep. Your kidneys might be telling you something. These vital organs play a crucial role in your overall health. Do you ever wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? This could be a sign that your kidneys are struggling to keep up with the demands placed on them. Are you experiencing bloating or puffiness? These symptoms can be more than just annoying. They might indicate that your kidneys are not functioning optimally. These could be signs that your kidneys need a little help. When your kidneys are overworked, they can't filter waste and toxins as effectively. Our kidneys work hard, filtering waste and toxins from our blood. They are like the body's natural filtration system, ensuring that harmful substances are removed. Just like any filter, they can get overloaded. When this happens, waste products can build up in your body, leading to fatigue and other health issues. That's where a kidney detox comes in. By giving your kidneys a break and providing them with the nutrients they need, you can help them function more efficiently. A kidney detox is like a refreshing cleanse for these vital organs. It can help to flush out toxins and support overall kidney health. It's a way to support their natural detoxification process and help them function at their best. Incorporating practices like yoga and meditation can also reduce stress, which is beneficial for kidney health. Staying hydrated is another key component of kidney health. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys filter out waste more effectively. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide your kidneys with the nutrients they need to stay healthy. Regular exercise, such as walking, can improve circulation and support kidney function. By taking these steps, you can help your kidneys stay healthy and reduce feelings of fatigue. So if you're tired of feeling tired, consider giving your kidneys the support they need. Remember, your kidneys are essential to your overall well-being. Taking care of them can lead to increased energy levels and better health. Take time to relax and de-stress. Your kidneys will thank you for it. With a little care and attention, you can help your kidneys function at their best, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. So, start today. Make small changes to your lifestyle and see the difference in your energy levels and overall health. Your kidneys are worth it, and so are you. Take the first step towards a healthier, more energetic you. Our kidneys are essential for overall health. They are two bean-shaped organs located just below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. Each day, your kidneys filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood to produce 1 to 2 quarts of urine, composed of waste and extra fluid. They filter waste products from our blood, regulate blood pressure, and balance the body's fluids. This filtration process is crucial for removing toxins and maintaining a stable internal environment. Additionally, kidneys play a vital role in producing red blood cells by releasing a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the bone marrow to produce these cells. This ensures that our body has enough oxygen-carrying capacity, but when our kidneys are overloaded with toxins, they can't do their job effectively. This overload can be caused by various factors such as poor diet, lack of hydration, and exposure to environmental pollutants. This can lead to a buildup of waste in the body, which can have several negative effects on our health. When waste accumulates, it can disrupt the balance of electrolytes and other essential substances in the body. One of the first signs of kidney overload is fatigue. This happens because the body is not efficiently removing toxins, leading to a feeling of constant tiredness and lack of energy. Other symptoms can include bloating, skin issues such as rashes or acne, and a general feeling of being unwell. These symptoms occur because the body is struggling to maintain its internal balance. A kidney detox can help flush out these toxins, allowing the kidneys to function more efficiently. Detoxing can involve dietary changes, increased water intake, and the use of specific herbs and supplements known to support kidney health. Giving your kidneys a much-needed break through detoxification can help them recover and perform their vital functions more effectively. This break allows the kidneys to repair and regenerate, improving their overall efficiency. By incorporating a kidney cleansing juice into your diet, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support kidney health. These juices often contain ingredients like cranberries, lemons, and parsley, which are known for their detoxifying properties. You can support your body's natural detoxification processes by staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and avoiding excessive intake of processed foods and toxins. Promoting optimal kidney health is essential for overall well-being. By taking steps to detox your kidneys, you can ensure they continue to function effectively, helping to maintain your body's internal balance and overall health. This isn't about complicated recipes or hard-to-find ingredients. This is about giving your body what it needs with a simple, delicious juice. We're combining the power of parsley, lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar to create a drink that's as refreshing as it is beneficial. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney function and overall health. Let's break down each ingredient and discover its unique benefits. Parsley is a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. It acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess water and waste from the body. This is especially helpful for those who experience bloating or water retention. Parsley is also rich in vitamins A and C, both powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Section 5. Lemon, your liver's best friend. We all know lemons are a great source of vitamin C, but did you know they also help stimulate the liver? A healthy liver means a healthy body. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins, and when it's working efficiently, it takes some of the workload off the kidneys. Lemons also aid in digestion and help balance the body's pH levels. Section 6. Ginger, reducing inflammation, one sip at a time. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, making it a valuable ally for kidney health. Inflammation can put stress on the kidneys, so incorporating ginger into your diet can help reduce this stress and support optimal kidney function. Plus, ginger adds a zesty kick to the juice, making it even more enjoyable. Section 7. Apple cider vinegar, balancing your body's pH. Apple cider vinegar has numerous health benefits, including its ability to balance the body's pH levels. When our bodies become too acidic, it can create an environment where kidney stones are more likely to form. Apple cider vinegar helps alkalize the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones. It also aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Section 8. Crafting your kidney detox juice. A step-by-step guide. Detoxifying your kidneys can be a refreshing and revitalizing experience. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you create a delicious and effective juice. Ready to make your own kidney detox juice? Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients. These ingredients are not only nutritious but also specifically chosen for their detoxifying properties. 1 cup chopped fresh parsley. Parsley is known for its diuretic properties, which help in flushing out toxins from the kidneys. 1 lemon, juiced. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, aiding in the detoxification process. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and chopped. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and helps in improving kidney function. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps in balancing the body's pH levels and promotes kidney health. 1 cup water. Water is essential for blending and helps in hydrating the body. Instructions. 1. Wash the parsley, lemon, and ginger thoroughly. It's crucial to clean your ingredients to remove any dirt or pesticides. 2. Juice the lemon. Fresh lemon juice is more potent and beneficial than store-bought versions. 3. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Make sure to add the water last to help with the blending process. 4. Blend until smooth. Blending ensures that all the nutrients are well mixed and easy to consume. 5. Strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any pulp. This step is optional but recommended for a smoother texture. Your kidney detox juice is ready to enjoy. Drink it immediately for the best results. This juice can be a great addition to your morning routine or a refreshing drink any time of the day. Remember, consistency is key for detoxification. Enjoy your journey to better kidney health. Section 9. When and how to enjoy your detox juice. For best results, drink this juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb all the nutrients efficiently. You can enjoy this juice daily or a few times a week, depending on your needs and preferences. Remember to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. Section 10. A refreshing step towards a healthier you. This kidney detox juice is more than just a drink. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural cleansing process. By incorporating this juice into your routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier you, so why wait? Give your kidneys the love they deserve and start enjoying the benefits of a refreshing and revitalizing kidney detox juice today.